Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Barabsol Grooming Kit. This is an amazing kit that's going to make that morning routine so much quicker and easier. And what it comes with is everything that you see here. You have a body and beard trimmer, which is really great because it makes quick work of all that unwanted hair, and it even comes with this comb guide, which lets you adjust the size of the hairs. Now, the listing is on there. It is in millimeters, but my suggestion will be to start at the highest level and then go down from there to see which level is right for you. It also comes with the nose and ear hair trimmer, which is really nice because it's hard to get that hair out of there and it can really get out of control if you don't start grooming it. It also comes with a comb as well as a cleaning kit, and the cleaning kit includes a cleaning brush as well as oil to keep those blades running smoothly so it never snags your hair. Last but not least, it comes with this handy toiletry bag, which comes with enough room to fit everything you see here and other travel essentials that you want to take with you on the go. Now, this is by that trusted Barabsol name, so you know the quality is there, and they're even throwing in a 2-year extended warranty on this product. Now, what I love about this kit, which makes it great for travel, is that it runs on batteries. The nose hair trimmer runs on a single AA battery, and the beard and body hair trimmer runs on 2 AAA batteries. Now, the batteries aren't included, but we have a fantastic deal on this. I know you're absolutely gonna love it, especially come vacation time. So head on over to the site and grab your kit today.